So I'm about to be heading to work here soon, as you can tell because of the hoodie I'm wearing. And I just found out something I honestly was really freaking shocked and amazed seeing. Apparently Microsoft has bought Activision Blizzard. And considering the fact that Activision Blizzard's been going on a downhill trend, especially with all the freaking shit that's been going on with that company, I'm not surprised they were bought, but I'm just surprised that now Xbox pretty much owns Call of Duty exclusively. And also that means freaking Diablo, World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and all that shit will be coming exclusively to Xbox, I guess. In all honesty, it was pretty much something that I was expecting to happen, that somebody was going to buy them at some point. I was just expecting Square Enix to buy them. But like I said, I'm still just shocked and amazed that they were bought and everything. And hopefully Xbox can clean this shit up, you know?